Getting old isn't much fun. We get wrinkles and our bodies become weaker, which can stop us from doing the things we like. Sometimes we even get major diseases, like cardiovascular disease or cancer. But not all these changes are inevitable. Some people manage to stay free of serious diseases and still have healthy bodies and minds, even when they're old. What makes these people different, and is it possible for everyone to achieve this? To find out how to age healthily, we have to understand what causes aging. Essentially, aging occurs when the cells that make up our bodies age. And this happens when the DNA and proteins inside our cells become damaged. Our DNA is the largest polymer molecule in the cell and is like a master blueprint containing all the instructions our cells need to function properly. But it is vulnerable to constant damage by UV radiation from sunlight and natural and artificial chemicals in our food, as well as pollutants in the air we breathe. Compounds naturally produced inside our cells can also damage DNA. All of these things can cause changes to the chemical structure of the DNA, or even cause it to break. If this damage is not repaired, it can result in mutations. This happens thousands of times every day. Indeed, it is happening inside your cells right now. If there is too much damage, the cell stops growing and doesn't work anymore, essentially becoming a zombie cell. These zombie cells send out signals that cause other cells to stop dividing and also grow old. Over time, more and more of these zombie cells appear so that our bodies don't work as well as they used to. This causes us to get old and sick. In some cases, DNA damage can even turn some cells into cancer cells. To age healthily, we have to find ways to reduce or repair this DNA damage. The good news is that our cells have a vast, inbuilt network of proteins that constantly check and repair DNA. Some of these simply replace a single damaged piece of the DNA. Others work by cutting out and removing damaged sections of the DNA and then filling in the resulting gap. Some work by making a copy of an intact DNA section, which can be used to replace the damaged DNA. Still more repair proteins help repair broken DNA by stitching the broken ends together. Sometimes, however, the repair proteins may miss DNA damage or repair it incorrectly. When we get older, they become less efficient. As a result, over the years, our DNA gets more and more damaged. Research shows that people who live to be over 100 years old, called centenarians, and still have good health, have more efficient DNA repair than other people. We do not yet know why this is so, but we are trying to find out. At the Center for Healthy Aging in Mainz, scientists are working to understand our cells' natural DNA repair mechanisms. We could then use this knowledge to design new drugs to treat cancer, remove zombie cells, or find ways to help our cells repair their DNA better so that our bodies can stay healthier as we age. Increased DNA repair could help keep our cells healthier as we age and thus help prevent serious diseases such as cardiovascular disease and cancer. So, by finding ways to boost our natural DNA repair, scientists hope that one day it will be possible to help everyone stay healthy and free of serious diseases in old age. But in the meantime, we can still minimize damage to our DNA by protecting our skin from sunburns, eating a healthy and balanced diet, avoiding burnt or processed meats, and not smoking. By doing this, we can reduce our risk of getting skin cancer and other signs of aging.